What Do Plants Need to Grow? By Kate Green. This is Detective Dog, and he is going to help us learn the parts of a plant. Hello class, my name is Detective Dog, and this is Sally Sunflower. She will be helping us learn about all the parts that help her grow. Hi friends, I'm Sally. These are my roots. You usually cannot see them because they are in the ground. They help me get water and nutrients from the dirt, or as you would say, they help me eat and drink. My roots also keep me in the ground so I don't fly away. This is my stem. My stem carries the water and nutrients from my roots up to my flower and leaves. My stem also supports my leaves, which we will learn about on the next page. Alright class, these are my leaves. My leaves are one of the most important parts. My leaves make food for me through a process known as photosynthesis. My leaves get energy from sunlight and then use the energy to create sugars. These sugars are great food for me. Fun fact, photosynthesis is a process that all green plants use to create food. Plants get carbon monoxide from the air and water from the soil to create sugars for me to eat. Finally, this is my flower. My flower is used for reproduction. This is the process that allows more plants to be grown. My flowers hold pollen inside of them. Bees and other insects come to my flower and pick up the pollen and take it to other flowers, and then bring new pollen back to mine. This pollen helps my flower create seeds. These seeds are what make new flowers. All these parts work together to help me grow, and other plants like me grow. They all do different things to give me what I need, which is sunlight, water, nutrients, and air. I hope you all enjoyed learning about plants and how they grow, and maybe you can grow some plants of your own.